In a world that moves too fast, we pause to listen with our hearts. This is more than artwork. This is a remembrance. These messages, created by author and artist Judy Ranieri over a decade ago, still echo with truth, still call us home, to peace, to love, to the divine within. Each word, each brushstroke, each pause between is a portal, a gentle nudge toward unity, toward the deep knowing that we all matter. By sharing this now, we amplify the frequency of peace. We become the change. We magnify what is possible. This is how healing begins. Through heart seeing, through remembering, through making space for you, for me, and for humanity. Together, we magnify world peace by caring and kindness. Create your own ripple of kindness within your world and beyond.